What's going on, y'all? So I just received a decision in order in the mail today, and this is from Melissa B.D. Berry, and y'all familiar with this case, Queens Wellness Medical Care. She finally gave her decision after our complaint to the Commission on Judicial Conduct. Now let's get into this decision. First and foremost, this should say a decision after inquest, not a decision in order. This was a decision after an inquest hearing was held. It shouldn't say decision in order. Secondly, it's not stamped, so it can't be enforced. Now, when you compare this decision in order to her decision in order on November 26th, which right here, she granted me the right to move forward on an inquest. You feel what I'm saying? You see that it's stamped, but then her decision after inquest, which it should state here, is no stamp, so it can't even be enforced. Now let's get into her decision. And this video, and this short is going to go past 3 minutes. So go to the video and see the entire thing, because it's a lot of bullshit that I got to point out. So right here it says, and I'm only reading the underline in the highlighted green section. The court advised plaintiff that although it was proceeding with an inquest, defendant would most likely be making a motion to vacate under CPLR 2101F. So right here, she's clearly admitting that she told me that the defendant, that she advised me that the defendant is going to try to vacate her decision right here, giving me the right to move forward on an inquest. She's saying that he's going to file a motion to vacate it under CPLR 2101F. Now, we know 2101F only deals with a defect in the form of papers, and that has nothing to do with my case whatsoever, let alone being able to vacate a decision in order granting me an inquest hearing. This law is not used for that. She's not mentioning that though. She's putting in her decision like it's all good, like it's valid. You see that, right? Next, it says plaintiff stated that what happened was medical malpractice. It was medical malpractice. If y'all listen to the hearing, because it was uploaded, you would hear me mentioning that the doctor refused to provide me with a referral. Now, what it says right here, a primary care doctor's refusal to provide a needed referral can be considered medical malpractice. So, yeah, it was medical malpractice. Okay, what's your point? Let's move on. Next page. It says he was referred for MRI, which was performed January 8th, 2025, and according to plaintiff, its findings demonstrated that his condition had